Hi guys, welcome back to a Baraka Food Show. I'm Chef Sal.
And I'm Abdullah, aka Dulla Mulla, man. You already know.
Welcome guys. Today we're gonna be cooking freekeh with chicken. So today we're gonna be using pine, almond, garlic, salt, and dried mint. 5 pieces of chicken legs, and of course we have the freekeh, which is wheat, soaked, cleaned, and ready. Let me tell you what I need from you, by the way. I need from you to
This is gonna be.
yes.
Oh, shred it.
Shred it.
Oh, it's okay.
Okay.
I thought you
and
meant
after
like...
this, I need you to shred.
So what do I
those.
shred it like this side or this side?
No, this side.
So embarrassing, man.
Okay. So right now, guys, we're gonna be cooking the onions first.
You want me to do all of them?
Yes, please. Baraka. Olive oil. Okay. Add the onion.
You know what they do here? Every time they do something like this, they sing. You know what I'm saying? Feel the vibe. Don't just. You gotta sing with it too, like.
Of course. All right. What are you?
Okay, you know what I'm saying?
I know what you're saying. That's nice. Come in.
سمعتوا؟ وهكذا شوية من هنا وبعدها تبزون واحدة ثانية. Take the second one. Am I doing it right?
Yeah, you're doing it right. Go ahead.
All right.
Okay, and while you're doing this,
All right.
I'll get the yogurt.
Sounds good. You said yogurt?
Yes, sir.
Man,
We're gonna be
this
doing.
sounds
This
nice.
is basically for. It's gonna be a side dish.
Okay.
Yogurt, garlic, cucumbers, the dry mint. Okay, we add the yogurt. Mix them up a little bit. Okay. Dried mint. Yeah, dried mint. And of course,
زيت الزيتون.
olive oil from Baraka. All this kind of dishes we use this kind of salad. We call it cucumber salad. So, onions, they're ready. And
What's it called? Freekeh?
yes, sir. It's called
Freekeh.
freekeh. Freekeh. It's a Lebanese dish. It's cheap. It's very tasty. It's much healthier than rice.
Wow.
I'm gonna add them on top of the onions.
Can I eat it like that?
No, of course not. You gotta cook it first, Abdullah.
It already looks
Okay.
good.
And right now, we're gonna add the seasoning. Baraka bread, ground cinnamon, ground cumin, 7 seasoning. سبع بهارات. Okay? And open this side. Okay? 1, 2, 3. 3 times. Do this. 1, 2, 3. Perfect.
اللهم بركة. اللهم بارك. You already know.
Okay, right now we're gonna be adding baraka chicken broth cube. So each one comes with 2.
Okay.
So we're gonna add both of them. Right, now we're gonna stir them a little bit. Make sure the chicken broth cube are melted. Okay. Then the last thing we're gonna add is another drip of baraka olive oil.
So you're gonna keep it on for how long?
We're gonna keep it for an hour, 50 minutes to an hour. Okay. Again, make sure the chicken cubes are melted. Let the water start boiling. After it starts boiling, you lower the heat and you cover it. Okay. So we're gonna add some corn oil from Baraka. Okay. Just a little bit under.
Let's go.
Yeah. Drain it a little bit. Make sure not a lot of water comes with it.
That right?
Yes, sir. So for this one right now, we're gonna put them in the oven. Before we put them in the oven, we're gonna add some oil on top of them, and we're gonna season them exactly the same seasoning that we used for the
So
freekeh.
it's 3 times, 3 times.
Not specifically, but the same kind of seasoning. So we're just gonna pour,
Oh, like that.
not a lot. Add some more on the other side.
So you flip it both sides,
Yep,
right?
both sides. Yes, sir. All right. So right now we're gonna put them in the oven at 350, bottom shelf, for 10 minutes. Abdullah, so I want to get to know you while the food is cooking. Tell me more about your social media page.
It's more like comedy. You know, just
You do pranks
and skits. And
Okay, how did you start your page, Abdullah?
oh man, so this was back in 2013, a long time ago.
Oh, wow.
I had this page for a long time. So, you know, I started off with memes.
Mm-hmm.
I started getting like a couple hundred followers and all that, and I went from posting photos to like videos.
Doing
You know? It was
videos.
kind of cringy, you know.
Okay.
But I was like, I'm gaining a little bit more followers, so I'm like, you know what, might as well just continue making videos. So I didn't know I was gonna gain a lot of followers, you know, like, alhamdulillah, like right now, like I have over 200K. I still don't see it's a lot, but it's something.
No, that's a lot, man. That's good for
it's
you.
not-
Like
it's
it's
not- yeah,
like
so-
what 5% of average people on Instagram. That's like the top 5%.
You can
200K.
say that.
Yeah, I think so.
You know, I'm still trying to grow my page, but so it started off like that. I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna start making more videos,
Mm-hmm.
and then just like that.
And then out of nowhere,
I just
that's
got
good,
into
man.
it. I was like, you know what? Let me just start making pranks, skits. People are enjoying my stuff. You got me happy. You know,
That's nice,
seeing
man.
people
That's
smile.
nice.
It's motivation.
So
you
this
know,
is on Instagram, right?
This is all on Instagram. I had Facebook actually, and somebody took my page, and so I was like, I'll just stick with the Instagram page.
Okay. Do you have a YouTube channel?
Actually, I just started YouTube probably
Okay.
like a week ago.
Okay, that's nice.
Yeah, so
You're doing
we'll
good
see,
so
man.
far.
So
Okay.
far, so good. you
Yeah,
know,
it'll
but-
get better. It'll get better since
I
you
really-
started. That's
yeah.
good that you started.
Yeah,
man. That's
yeah.
very
You
good.
can't. It's like basically I can't just jump to the height. You know what I'm
course.
saying? It's just like a ladder. You know, step by
course.
step. So.
All right, guys. Right now, we're gonna be frying the almonds and the pine. First, we put the almonds because they take longer to cook. All right. While this is cooking, we're gonna put the cooked freekeh.
Oh,
Here, you ready? All right.
go. Woo! Man. That looks nice.
Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is Freekeh with chicken and Abdullah.
And make sure you guys use Baraka.
All right, guys, this is the final dish right here.
Man,
You want to taste it?
Can I taste it?
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Come on. I can't eat with this, man. I gotta. You know
You
what?
want to dig in? Okay.
No.
They're hot. It's hot though. Taste the chicken.
Oh my god.
صحتين وعافية. How good is it?
Oh my god, bro. Wallet is so
صحتين.
good.
صحتين. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys use Baraka brand for all your ingredients.
Yep.
Thank you, and we'll see you next episode.
Freekeh tastes freaking good. You already know.